This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and welcome back to my featured channel of the week. Last week we featured the board lockpicker. What started this series was many of the smaller channels are very hard to find. They do not pop up in the search engine very easily. Sometimes you can even type in their name verbatim and other channels will pop up and you won't be able to find them. So what I am trying to do is spread some awareness on some of the smaller channels. On top of that, YouTube also recently changed its monetization policies, making it more difficult for people to get started. Right now you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of views a year in order to be able to monetize your channel. Having a monetized channel allows you to be able to do more giveaways and be able to afford more locks to be able to show to the viewers. And it's a very easy thing for you guys to do to help out everyone, is just hit that subscribe button. What I'd like to do today is feature a new channel, which is SE Lock and Key. The owner of SE Lock and Key's name is Jaskson. He's a very nice guy. He's been a locksmith for over 28 years, and he runs his shop, SE Lock and Key, out of Jaskson, Mississippi. He's been doing this a long time, and he offers a lot of great insight in his videos. He goes into very good detail, going over exactly what he's doing, and it's a great place to be able to use as a resource. Unfortunately for him, he's currently only at 924 subscribers, so he needs to reach 1,000 in order for him to keep his channel going the way that it has been going. For him, he started his channel initially to be a good resource for his customers so he could show them some visual videos of what's going on with the locks that they're having problems with, or the parts, etc. And it has kind of grown into a really cool channel where he features a lot of cool locks and goes into great detail and spends a lot of time making some very enjoyable videos. So what I have for you right now is a quick little highlight reel of his channel that he made, and I'd like you to take a look and see what you think.
I started this channel originally as a way for like the shop. When somebody calls in and says I have a broken mortise lock, I've uploaded a video. I could say, well, go to this video, and in that video, tell me which part of it you need and order a part, or padlocks, stuff like that. I started as kind of a marketing thing for the shop, and it's evolved into kind of the day in the life of, quote, locksmith. I do everything from, like, while I'm driving, I chat about stuff. Because you do a lot of driving as a locksmith, going back and forth to jobs. I do rekeys, I do counter cleaning, pin sorting, car unlocking. Okay, see what it does. Totally different from how it comes. This is how they come. They come with an Allen screw and a nut hole. So anyway, everything fit. That was not a problem. And let's see how it closes. It's Jason with SE Lock and Key. I'm here today to talk to you about a product that we have, and it's called a key. That's right, a key.
Well, there's your problem right there. And that's how you fix it.
So it's not about the revenue. It's more about YouTube handing me a lollipop and taking it away when I get to the center of the Tootsie Pop.
How many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
A good question. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3.
So I just wanted to get this uploaded and to explain to my new subscribers. Again, I appreciate y'all subbing. I appreciate Bill McCarty for the shout out in his video.
Thank you.
And I appreciate everybody who has also posted links or you know, retweeted my tweet on this nonsense. Thanks again. I really appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next video.
If you enjoyed watching SE Lock and Key, you can check out more videos on his channel. The best thing you can do to help him out right now is just subscribe. Just doing a subscription can really help him out. He's at 924 subscribers, but he needs 1,000. He is almost there, and if you're able to check out his channel and like it and subscribe, that will go a long way. He's getting very close to the deadline where he needs to reach his 1,000 subscribers. He's always putting out new content and making some pretty enjoyable videos. One of his most recent ones I saw was pretty funny when he was making a video on an example of customers that just don't listen. It was pretty funny and you should check it out. Either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you have a great day.